The inverter provides the power you need to enhance your experience, stay connected, and enjoy the comforts of modern technology such as 1. Increased productivity. With an inverter, you can power your tools and equipment, enabling you to accomplish more tasks efficiently, whether it's construction work, repairs, or maintenance projects. 2. Extended work hours. In situations where daylight is limited, having an inverter allows you to work well into the evening by providing reliable lighting and power for your equipment. 3. Comfortable sleeping environment. Power fans, air conditioners, or heaters with an inverter to create a comfortable sleeping environment in your tent, camper, or outdoor sleeping area. 4. Communication and connectivity. Stay connected with the outside world by charging and powering your mobile devices, enabling communication, navigation, or accessing online resources. 5. Emergency preparedness. Inverters can be essential during emergencies, such as power outages or natural disasters, providing a reliable source of electricity for essential devices, communication, and lighting. 6. Powering recreational equipment. Power up recreational equipment such as air pumps for inflatable mattresses or kayaks, ensuring quick and easy setup for your outdoor adventures. 7. Electric appliance compatibility. Inverters offer the flexibility to use standard household appliances outdoors, eliminating the need for specialized outdoor equipment.